In this video, we will walk you through the steps involved in the Proctor workflow for the Testing Center Workspace, whether it's live monitoring or reviewing video recordings. By following this guide, you'll learn how to manage candidates, validate their identity, monitor test-taking sessions, identify misconduct, and handle special accommodations. Let's dive in and explore the two main workflows: live monitoring and record and review. To start live monitoring or review video recordings, go to the Manage Candidates tab. Search for the session that you as a proctor will be viewing. This will show you a list of only the candidates who are taking this session. From the candidate's view, the proctor pauses the session and leaves a message for the candidate. Once the session starts, the proctor opens the supervision mode to view the active test taking. The proctor will individually check the environment and the ID of each candidate. To validate the ID, click on the test name and go to the Parameters tab. To view the environment, click on the Overview tab. If everything is fine, unpause the session for the candidate. If the ID is invalid or the environment is not properly recorded, the proctor contacts the candidate to request a valid ID or to show the environment again. This is usually done through a microphone or the chat box in the session. During the test, in the Supervision tab, the proctor can communicate with candidates through a chat box, microphone, and camera. They can also detect any misconduct and inform the candidates about their behavior. In the second scenario, the proctor filters unreviewed recordings. To review a recording, the proctor clicks on the camera icon. First, the proctor checks the environment and validates the candidate's ID. If the candidate didn't provide a valid ID or passport, the proctor sends a special request to the candidate using the Special Request feature. The candidate has 24 hours to provide a valid document. If this is not done, the proctor notes it in the report, and the test manager will decide on further actions. As a proctor, you can review the recording and observe any suspicious behavior, which are highlighted in different colors. Document any suspicious behavior in the proctor's report. There is a possibility to rate the recording as neutral, positive, or negative based on the candidate's performance. Finally, let's discuss special accommodations. When the test manager adds a special accommodation, all proctors logged into the session will receive an automatic email notification to review it. To review the accommodation, the proctor navigates to the Special Accommodation view and clicks on the Respond to a Special Accommodation icon, or via the notifications. In the dialog box, the proctor can change the status from pending to approved or rejected and add a comment if necessary. The accommodation will only be applied if the proctor approves it. To learn more about utilizing the YouTestMe application, please have a look at our other videos.